To help optimize available stock and configure products for a specific customer, Sage X3 allows you to automatically create manufacturing work orders directly from the sales order line. Line by line, you can set the default source for delivery or change it. As soon as you select Work Order for at least one line, Sage X3 creates and plans the work order. Now you have a solid link between your sales and the manufacturing plan. Components, operations, and lead time for the work order are defined according to choices made at the sales line level.